Today, I'm going to show you how to access your Microsoft 365 apps here at Wake Tech, along with the best way to prepare a document for submission to Blackboard. So, I have gone to my.waketech.edu, which is the student portal, and you'll see that I have access to a couple different Microsoft apps from right here on this launch page. You can go to Outlook by selecting the email button down here, and you can go to Teams by selecting the Teams button here. Now, if I want to access other Microsoft apps such as Word or Excel or PowerPoint, you can go over to the upper left corner to these 9 little boxes, which I refer to as the App Launcher. Once you select the App Launcher, you will see Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, among other apps. Selecting these will open web-based versions of the apps, so you will be able to access them through your web browser. Alternatively, you can select the More Apps button to reach a page with a more comprehensive list of apps, as well as an option to install desktop versions of Microsoft apps. Back here on the student portal, let's try opening Microsoft Word from the App Launcher. This is Word's start page, and I'm going to create a blank document and edit it. And here it is. I'm going to type the word sample into the document. In the browser-based version of apps, app documents are automatically saved. Therefore, the best practice for submitting a Word document to Blackboard is to download a copy to your computer, which I will now do by selecting File, Create Copy, and download a copy. Always close Microsoft Word before submitting your document to Blackboard.